Welcome to the world of CNC machines and accessories, where advanced technology and precision engineering work together to create modern manufacturing solutions. CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control, a system that allows machines to operate automatically using computer programming. Today, CNC machines are widely used in woodworking, metalworking, furniture production, sign making, and industrial manufacturing. These powerful machines can cut, carve, drill, engrave, and shape materials with incredible speed and accuracy. The CNC process begins with a digital design created using CAD software. The design is then converted into machine instructions called G-code. This code tells the machine exactly where to move, how deep to cut, and how fast to operate. Once the program is loaded, the CNC machine starts working automatically. The machine moves along multiple axes to perform highly accurate cutting and carving operations. This automation reduces manual labor and increases production efficiency. A CNC machine becomes even more powerful with the help of its accessories. These accessories improve machine performance, precision, and safety during operation. One of the most important accessories is the spindle motor. The spindle rotates the cutting tool at high speed and performs the actual cutting process. Different spindle motors are used depending on the material and application. Cutting bits and router bits are also essential accessories. These tools are available in many shapes and sizes for engraving, drilling, carving, edge cutting, and finishing. High-quality bits provide smooth and clean cutting results. Another important accessory is the tool holder and collet system. These components securely hold the cutting tool while the spindle rotates at high speed. Strong tool holders help reduce vibration and improve cutting accuracy. Linear guide rails and bowl screws help the machine move smoothly and precisely across the X, Y, and Z axes. Accurate movement is very important for creating detailed designs and professional quality products. Dust collection systems are commonly used in